Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how to create a column in Power Query from example. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So right now I am in Power BI desktop. From Power BI desktop, I'll go to the Power Query editor. So I'll click on the transform data and again click on the transform data to go to the Power Query editor. So here you can see employee table. So first column EMP ID, department and the email ID. So email ID, if you can see the first name dot last name. Okay, everywhere in each row you can see first name dot last name. So what I'm going to do, I will extract a first name by example from the email ID columns. So to do this, I will select the email ID column and I will go to the add column, and add column here you can see the column from examples. If you expand here, so you will see two options from all columns. No, I don't want from all columns. I want only from selection. So my selection column is email. So I'll click on this from selection and here I will type EMP first name, and then I'll come to the next row, and here actually I will type a first name. So here the first name is in the first row is a Sachin, so I'll type a Sachin, and I'll just click OK. So you can see the first name is extracted from the email ID column: Sachin, Rehan, Samir, Sumit, Williams. Now similarly you can do for the last name also. So again I will select the email ID column, and again I will go column from examples, and I will click on from selection, and here I will type EMP last name, and I'll come here and here I'll type More and click OK. So here you can see the last name. So first name is Sachin, so you can see in the first name column, and the More is the last name, you can see EMP last name. And if you want to see the M code for the EMP first name and EMP last name, you have to just click here. You will see the M code for first name. Now if you want to see for the second last name, so you can see here for the last name. So that's all guys for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.